Especially during the last few years, we have all witnessed that change is a constant in the world we live in. Business professionals play a key role in transforming their business in an operationally efficient, financially viable and risk-adjusted way, ensuring complete transparency and optimization in how and where value is created through their global supply chain, while keeping a close look at tax and trade regulations, while putting everything in the perspective of the sustainability outcomes that are set by their organization.
Clearly, they need an enterprise management application that offers the necessary agility and scalability to create value under such circumstances and to support them to reflect their business goals. With SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, you can exactly tackle your top business priorities. It is a ready-to-run cloud ERP that delivers the latest industry best practices and continuous innovations. It's a true software-as-a-service solution, offering results right away, ensuring quick time to value.
Of course, you don't just need to take our word for it. So let us show you how it works, taking a hypothetical example of a bicycle producer that needs to address the business imperatives we just introduced. Let's start by analyzing the planned and predicted performance and plan the business. Rather than creating a standalone financial target and budget, there's a continuously growing need for collaborative driver-based simulation and what-if scenario analysis across different lines of businesses. To support this, many organizations are applying the value driver tree as a visual support, as shown in our strategic plan. We recognize we are not performing on the level targeted from a carbon emission perspective. And while our overall customer satisfaction is positive, we see a negative trend across different regions in terms of delivery times. So we seem to encounter some supply chain issues. For the sake of our short introduction, we'll fast forward to a short vendor analysis to understand what's causing these issues. While in reality, there's usually a combination of elements that play, in our case, we see that one of our suppliers is unable to deliver in time. Moreover, there seems to be better, more carbon-neutral options instead.
Having a good understanding of what it needs to run a profitable business, we start optimizing our demand plans per production plant. With SAP S/4HANA Cloud's real-time simulation capabilities, we simulate our demand against potential capacity issues and supplier constraints. Having identified a constraint, we simulate resolution options like shifting the demand to other periods before we deploy the optimized plan seamlessly. With the bikes in stock, first orders are coming in. As a sales representative, we capture them seamlessly with the help of an intuitive SAP Fiori application.
From a company-wide perspective, what's probably most interesting is whether this is all leading to sound financial results. Like a tape measure for your business, a profitability analysis tells you when, where, and how your business has grown. With SAP S/4HANA Cloud, we can learn from past successes, pooling your transactions for a clear understanding of cost and profits on a single platform. In order to understand our receivables situation, let's switch roles and get taken on the head of our receivables manager. Opening up the receivables management app in SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition gives an end-to-end view on overdue items per entity, and you can also learn a lot about the evolution.
With this, we hope we have been able to give you at least a glimpse on how SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition enables organizations to not only efficiently execute all operational processes, but at the same time making sure they can operate in a data-driven way and enable effective business steering at any level of the organization.
And the best part is, these processes are available for a variety of industries, from professional services to high-tech suppliers, the automotive industry, and more. With SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, you take the lead with industry innovation for top line, bottom line, and green line growth. benefit from a fast implementation with an up to 50% decrease in implementation cost, as well as a 40 to 60% quicker time to value.
If you would like to find out more about SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition and how this solution can support your business, please reach out to us for a free trial.